Honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. I know zero about diesel engines, so
Awesome.
yeah, should be fun.
So we're up for the day. We had hoped to have overnight or 2 overnights, but life happens and we can't be here as much as we'd like. So we came up for today because it's going to be nice, and it is a absolutely stunning fall day in the beautiful state of Maine. Hunting season is open today, so I have an orange shirt I need to throw on. This is like a perfect fall day in Maine. We're going to try to fire up the tractor today because we really need it running because so many things. We need to move it to flat ground so we can use it in the winter here if we want to come up and do anything in the winter. And we also have to empty our tank in our camper. We got this nifty little bucket thing that we can fill with gross stuff and then move it. But we need the tractor to lift it into our truck so we can take it where it needs to go. I have not traveled a ton in my life, but a little bit here and there, not too far. This will always be my favorite place to live. So I'm coming up here to get a extension cord so that we can charge up the battery on the tractor because we're not sure if it's dead or not, so just better safe than sorry. And since we have some errands we need to go run, it'll give it some time to just sit there and get juiced up and ready to go.
Did you find it?
I did. It was here. Oh my
Oh,
God.
there it is. Oh, it's really...
Oh, it's still tied. This is the cord you wanted, right?
Yep.
You don't need the drill thingy.
No.
Oh, there's got to be a better system than this.
Yeah, this is a nightmare.
Is that it you need from here?
That's it.
People probably think I'm crazy now.
You are a little crazy.
Maybe.
So today we're going to try to charge up the battery, hopefully get the tractor started. We're going to charge the security camera because that thing died last week. And
real hard time with solar
We do.
out here.
Well, this is in the shade, so it doesn't help.
Wrong side of the mountain?
Yeah, we're on the wrong side. There's Murray.
Which end?
Ooh, there's a spider.
Sit. Oh, just a good boy.
Yeah, so let me go plug this in. Alright, let's see. There we go. Should be good.
So, it's charging. Lights are on, so that's good. It is working.
Yep. Alright.
Now what are you doing?
And now I'm going to go take this camera down. You can charge that.
Ah, okay. Yep.
Do that real quick.
Because the solar panel ain't working real well here in the shadows. So I'm not sure we'll be able to do solar panels, but maybe the town would let us put in a windmill. Because we definitely get a good breeze up here. The whole panel? What do you need to charge? Just the camera? I missed that part. Maybe I'll get you putting it back up.
Alright, well, it's not very exciting.
That's what happens when you're a bird dog and things fly around. You want to get them all.
There.
Is it bad on there?
Yeah,
Vibrating?
vibration, yeah. That's perfect. Good bird on the ground. Just going to change this filter again.
And why are we changing it again?
I don't know, there's an O-ring on top here. The gasket is a lot smaller than the one I took off initially, so I got a filter from case. I don't know if this aftermarket one is funky or what.
What are we loosening up?
Well, let me show you. I think, if I can get you over here. These guys I just turned, I don't know, probably a turn each. There's 4 of them. I think those are going to help me prime the system. There's the injector pump over there. So we'll see if we can get fuel spitting out of this side. And then hopefully this thing starts. Batteries are charged. Murray.
It holds a lot in there.
It does hold a lot. It's almost there.
Oh,
Some clean oil. It's going to start.
look at that positive attitude. I need to get Murray a stick, so maybe he'll stop. Barking, 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 barking. Here we go. There. Oh, there, that's better. Sorry. And he's back. I'm glad he can't talk, because I'm pretty sure if he could talk, I'd lose my mind.
Oh, I'm going to get the air compressor. Murray, stop.
Air compressor time.
Stop.
There they are. Starting to rain though. Oh boy. I mean, I guess it's not that much of a surprise. That is one dark cloud. The best backwards driver. Even better than Mater.
Alright. It's raining. Why wouldn't it rain? This is what we're going to try to do. Pressurize this. I'm going to put a rag around the hose nozzle. I've loosened this little bleeder screw right here, so hopefully we can force fuel up through this line, up into the filter, out this screw. If that's the case, we'll tighten this screw up. I'll leave the other injectors loose and hopefully force fuel out of there. But honestly, I have no idea what I'm doing. I know zero about diesel engines, so
Awesome.
yeah, should be fun.
So
I'm gonna get a shot of that screw. Hopefully you see fuel come out of it
All right,
at some point.
That's good right there.
Oh, yep.
Yeah, there's some fuel. Hopefully I didn't get it on the camera.
That's waterproof. Oh, wow. All right.
Waterproof? Is it diesel proof?
Keys. I'm going to give it a shot of ether.
Where's the
Turn
ether?
it over and see if I can pump fuel out of those.
Does this mean one of us is starting it?
I can try to start it. Or actually, do you want to? I can run the ether. You can go in there. Or take this. Well, those are the camper keys. What do I do with the. Okay, there.
Okay.
That's good. We've got fuel at least that far.
Oof.
And this shouldn't start because there's no.
It shouldn't?
Well, I've loosened up all the what I think are the injector lines. Alright. Try and see what happens. I hear a lot of. Try that again.
Alright.
I think I should see fuel coming out of these, but I don't. I'm going to tighten up these injectors and see. I thought there should be fuel coming out of there, but there isn't. I don't know if this fuel pump is. Lift pump is bad or what? The solenoid looks like it's working. It's opening and shutting. I'm going to see if that fuel comes out of there at least. Alright, you want to try it?
Yep. You ready?
Yep. I mean, this is bone dry. There's no fuel.
In what?
In this injector pump, the top of it.
Okay.
It would make me think the fuel lift pump isn't pushing fuel up into the injector pump. Maybe.
I think it might be time to call in a few friends that know how to operate a diesel engine and maybe have them ask them to do a field trip out here with us. Give us a lesson, and
Alright, hold on.
we need this tractor running.
Yes, we do. Alright, try that. See what happens. Well, phone a friend.
Phone a friend. Uncle Tom!
We'll make a trip out next weekend.
Or Mike Bergeron. There we go. Throwing out some names.
The lift pump, fuel lift pump.
Fuel lift pump?
Fuel lift pump.
Is that the right name?
I think. Fuel pump. I don't know.
Oh, gosh. Just a bunch of hacks. Are we done?
Yeah, this thing's not gonna start.
Our beautiful paperweight.
Yep, that's pretty much what it is.
And there you have it. We are done for Saturday.
Oh, man.
Uh-oh. It's supposed to rain tomorrow,
Oh,
so
wait a minute. That's not like that.
we're going to go home and get some stuff done at our house tomorrow, because it's not really fun to work here in the rain at all. Hopefully we can get this thing going. Please, if you have a moment, please remember to like and subscribe to help our channel out. Thank you.
There's
Is
our
it
broken.
running?
Yeah, there's our broken tractor. I'm sweating like crazy. It's
Are you
October
okay?
28th. Yeah, no, it's hot. 75 degrees. Whoop.
Woo. There's our tractor, the paperweight. I think we need to call in the big guns
We
right
do.
now, because
Yep.
this is getting really annoying.
We've wasted too many hours,
Yes.
and we don't know what we're doing.
No.
So,
No.
all right, we're gonna wrap it up.
You see our matching orange shirts.
Oh yeah, look at that. It's pretty cool.
All
All right.
Thank you,
Thanks.
and please like and subscribe to our
Yes,
channel.
yes, please do. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.